Today, I'll show you how to do your Bitaroo crypto taxes. Hello, my name's Nelly. Welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today we're talking about Bitaroo. Hopefully I said that right, Bitaroo. For the Aussies out there, you can correct me, obviously. So yeah, I'll show you how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. I'll tell you a little bit about this exchange, then I'll jump into the integration part of this video, which is extremely straightforward, and then I'll show you, how to get the most important part, which is your tax documentation to submit. And lastly, I'm going to leave a bunch of different resources if you need any further assistance. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So this exchange was founded in 2018, and as you can hear from its name, it's based out of Australia. It is a relatively new exchange, but it's been getting a lot of attention in the past couple of years and has grown in popularity in Australia. They have a decent feature set, everything from your standard trading to something called self-managed super funds and OTC options for more advanced traders. So let me know if you're messing around with any of the more, intricate, complex features on their exchange. But that's enough about the exchange. Let me show you the very simple integration for this video. First step, as always, log into your Koinly account, and once you have, head over into the wallet section. If you don't have a Koinly account, you can make one. It's completely free, and you can follow this process along until you're happy with what you've seen, and then you can decide whether you'd like to pay for one of the tax reports. So anyways, under wallets, click on add wallet. We're going to type in Bitaroo, and there it is. As you can see, there's no API for this one, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way and import all our data via CSV files. So click import from file, and now let me show you where to get the report. So logging into their account, you're going to go into your account options, click on reports, and you have a few different files you're going to need. So first thing, as always, make sure to get all your tax years, all your information. So let's say you've had this account for several years, you're going to need to import all that information from the beginning till the end. This is because Koinly needs to be able to calculate your capital gains. So all of your transaction histories are needed for as long as you've had the account. So as you can see, they do it on a yearly basis. So FY22, FY21, and it shows you kind of the time frame there. So we have a few different files. One of them is the trade history file. So make sure to download that. Obviously, if you have more years, make sure to download several of those. We have a express by CSV file, so make sure to get that as well. And then we have the deposit history, and we also have the withdrawal history. So if you're only looking at one file each, that's 4 different files. If you've had this account for several years, then that might be several files from each of these categories. So once you have those downloaded, make sure to drag and drop them into Koinly and click import. So once that data is imported, you can go into transactions area and kind of see and make sure everything has been imported correctly, making also sure that you've tagged all your staking correctly, sent to pool, sent from pool, very important. And then once you're happy with that, you can go into the tax reports area, and here is a great place to see a summary of your crypto activity throughout the year. So your capital gains, your income, your costs and expenses, your transactions, anything that you want to see, it will be here. And it'll also be very useful to look at throughout the year to see kind of where your crypto taxes are going to end up. And once you're happy with everything there, scroll on down and select a tax report appropriate for your needs. And we have plenty of different tax reports, as you see on the screen before you. For the US, we have the IRS Schedule D, Form 8949. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, and then this one, probably the one that you're going to be most interested in, is Australia, the ATO tax report. And then lastly, Canada, Germany, other countries, we have the complete tax report, which is a document you can simply print off and give directly to an accountant to combine with your other tax documentation. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their accountancy firm here with us. And then lastly, check your country's rules and regulations to see if this tax report from Koinly is indeed deductible. But another really straightforward wallet. If you need further assistance, a bunch of different resources down below. Firstly, we have the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. We have a forum section where you can talk to members of our community as well as our staff. We have a feedback section if you're having any issues with our software. And then we have another section if you, all else fails, you can send us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. But I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.